Hello everyone, Sachin Tale here, your English language trainer, and I'm here with another video. See, we have been on a mission to learn vocabulary. In order to understand English content, means if you're reading a book or you're watching a video in English, in order to do that, in order to understand the content, we need to master vocabulary, we need to learn words, and that's what we are doing. So, in vocabulary list 1 and 2, I taught you 20 words, then we solved one test which is there. That video I have already uploaded, and in today's video, in this video, we will be solving one more test, right? So, let's get started, everyone. So, see what we have to do here. Check the sentence with the bolded word that makes better sense. Means two sentences have been given here. Pairs of sentences have been given. There are 10 pairs, and in each pair one sentence is correct and one is wrong, or one makes sense and one doesn't make sense. So you need to decide now. You need to tell which one makes sense, and in order to tell that, you need to know the meaning of that word. And you have already learned these 20 words. The same words have been used in all these sentences, right? So let's get started. So very first one is, a clever person can solve a puzzle easily. So this is sentence A. A clever person can solve a puzzle easily. And B is, sentence B is, when a plane arrives, it leaves the ground and goes into the sky. So out of these two sentences, which one makes sense? Pause the video, type in your answer A or B in the comment box, and then again play the video and then see. So I hope you have done that. See, the answer is A. A clever person can solve a puzzle easily. Why? Because clever means somebody who can solve the problems easily, So that's the meaning of clever. And sentence B says that when a plane arrives, it leaves the ground. When plane arrives, it doesn't leave the ground, right? It takes off actually. So that's why sentence B doesn't make sense. Done? Let's solve the next one. So now 2, okay? Question number 2 is, A sentence is, at noon the sun is near the bottom of the sky. And sentence B is, if I break my brother's bike, he will be angry. So out of these two sentences, which one makes sense? Pause the video, go in the comment box, type in A or B, come on. So the answer is B is correct. If I break my brother's bike, he will be angry. Right? If I break my brother's, अगर मैं मेरे भाई की बाइक को तोड़ता हूँ तो क्या होगा? वो गुस्सा होगा. But and A says that at noon the sun is near the bottom of the sky, which is not correct. So we need to understand what is the meaning of bottom. Bottom is किसी भी चीज़ का निचला हिस्सा है ना. Lower portion, lower part of something is called bottom. So at noon the sun is not near the bottom, right? Very good. Number 3. So question number 3 is, there are two sentences. You have to tell which one makes sense, okay? Sentence A is, it is easy to hide in a dark place. And B is, many kinds of fish are afraid of water. So which one is correct? A or B? Answer is A. It is easy to hide in a dark place. Hide मतलब छुपना या छुपाना, right? तो अंधेरे में छुपना आसान होता है. And how can, B doesn't make sense because it says that many kinds of fish are afraid of water. How can fish be afraid of water? Yes. Question number 4. A is, at night your parents may say, hide your eyes and go to sleep. And B sentence B is, heavy things will go down to the bottom of the ocean. A or B? Which one makes sense? Not grammatically, which one makes sense? Like कौन सा सही लगता है? And आंसर देने के लिए आपको मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए. हाइड मतलब क्या होता है और बॉटम मतलब क्या होता है. वेरी गुड. तो आंसर इज बी. हेवी थिंग्स विल गो डाउन टू द बॉटम ऑफ द ओशन. क्योंकि भारी चीज़ें बॉटम में जाएंगी, नीचे चली जाएंगी ओशन के अंदर. इट मेक्स सेंस, ऐसा होगा, राइट? लेकिन एट नाइट योर पेरेंट्स में से कि हाइड योर आइज मतलब अपनी आंखें छुपाओ. That doesn't make sense, right? They say close your eyes and go to sleep, something like that. Very good. Let's see question number 5. It is cruel to keep a dog in a small cage all day. And sentence B is, your mother will be angry when you get good grades in school. Which sentence makes sense? A or B? A or B? Come on, type in the comment box. Answer is A. It is cruel to keep a dog in a small cage all day. दिन भर डॉग को एक छोटे से केज के अंदर रखना ये क्रूएल है. इट इज़ क्रूएल, राइट? मतलब ये काइंड नहीं है बिल्कुल. और योर मदर विल बी एंग्री व्हेन यू गेट गुड ग्रेड्स इन स्कूल. आपको अगर अच्छे ग्रेड मिलते हैं स्कूल में, अच्छे मार्क्स मिलते हैं, तो मम्मी एंग्री थोड़ी होगी. तो बी डजंट मेक सेंस. वेरी गुड. लेट्स लर्न सी. लेट्स सी द 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन. इसके अंदर ए इज, एनिमल्स कैनॉट हंट बिकॉज दे डू नॉट हैव हैंड्स. एनिमल्स कैनॉट हंट बिकॉज दे डू नॉट हैव हैंड्स. एंड बी सेंटेंस इज, इट इज़ अ गुड आइडिया टू अराइव अर्ली for class. It is a good idea to arrive early for class. Out of these two sentences, which one makes sense? Animals cannot hunt because they do not have hands, or it is a good idea to arrive early for class? B is the correct answer. It is a good idea to arrive early for class. Because A doesn't make sense. Animals cannot hunt because animals can hunt, right? Number 7. Question number 7. And sentence A is, people sometimes attack pictures to email messages. People sometimes attack pictures to email messages. And B is, some people are afraid of spiders. सो आउट ऑफ दीज टू विच वन मेक सेंस? आपको मीनिंग आना चाहिए अटैक का और अफ्रेड का. अटैक मतलब हमला करना, अफ्रेड मतलब डरा हुआ. वेरी गुड. द आंसर इज बी. आई होप आपने टाइप किया है कमेंट बॉक्स में. सम पीपल आर अफ्रेड ऑफ स्पाइडर्स. अफ्रेड मतलब डरना, तो कुछ लोग स्पाइडर से डरते हैं, विच इज़ ट्रू. वेरी गुड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. So it is, what does it say? Sentence is, a movement is like a second or two. A movement is like a second or two. And B is, new shoes are usually not very comfortable or clever. New shoes are usually not very comfortable or clever. New shoes are usually not very comfortable or clever. Exactly. Answer is A. A movement is like a second or two. Okay, movement मतलब क्षण होता है. And a shoe cannot be clever because it's a non-living thing, right? वो कैसे clever हो सकता है? Very good. Question 9. And it is, a small, see, sentence A is, small animals do not usually attack big animals. Okay. And B is, there are 12 movements in a year. Which one makes sense? Very good. A is the answer. Small animals do not usually attack big animals. तो ज़्यादातर अटैक नहीं करते हैं जो स्मॉल एनिमल्स है वो बड़े एनिमल्स पर. एंड देयर आर 12 मूवमेंट्स इन अ ईयर. मूवमेंट्स नहीं, 12 मंथ्स होते हैं वो. दैट्स वाई बी डजंट मेक सेंस. आंसर इज ए. एंड द लास्ट वन, नंबर 10. A cruel person will try to help others. A cruel person will try to help others at all times. A. And B is, you can use a gun to hunt in the forest. Pause the video, go in the comment box, write your answer. A or B? A or B? I hope you have written. Very good. Answer is B. You can use a gun to hunt in the forest. आप एक गन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो शिकार करने के लिए फॉरेस्ट में, राइट? अ क्रूएल पर्सन विल ट्राई टू हेल्प. एक क्रूएल इंसान दूसरों की मदद तो नहीं करता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट डजंट मेक सेंस. तो आपको मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए क्रूएल का और हंट का. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि एवरी डे आई विल बी अपलोडिंग वीडियोज़ फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज सचिन ताले साइनिंग ऑफ. बाय बाय.